Hello, my name is Gene Sanguma,
And my name is Joseph Paloma.
and we decided to do our facility project on the US Bank Stadium. Joe and I are both diehard Vikings fans, and the stadium is fairly new, and we just wanted to get a little bit more insight on what the stadium is all about and all its features.
The Hyundai Club includes seats that are the closest club seats to the field in the NFL, located just 41 feet from the sideline. These club seats provide exclusive and convenient access to some of the finest amenities and services in all of sports. Also, each concession stand within the US Bank Stadium is accessible to guests with disabilities. There are quite a few options on where you can park. One of the options is Mills Fleet Farm Garage, and that's what you see in the picture. For me, one thing I would change is that we need to have more parking lots near the stadium where it's convenient for fans. A dedicated ADA pickup and drop-off zone is available during events at US Bank Stadium. The designated zone is located on 10th Avenue South between 6th Street and 7th Street South. US Bank Stadium also hosts other events. In this picture, they are hosting a high school playoff game. Definitely enjoyed the experience in this one. The aisles in US Bank Stadium are definitely spacious and convenient to get to restrooms or concession stands. The one thing that I would change based off of my experience is have a little room for the seating. Definitely had to stand up and let fans through.
US Bank Stadium has over 130 suites that range from 14 to 32 guests per room. I have had the luxury of working in these suites as a VIP premium host, and we receive all types of celebrities like Troy Aikman, The Mountain, Josh Duhamel, Chris Collinsworth, and many more.
Not only do the Minnesota Vikings play at US Bank Stadium, US Bank Stadium has so much more to offer. They will be hosting this year's Super Bowl along with next year's NCAA tournament, and also they have concerts.
The team at US Bank Stadium is committed to creating a safe and memorable and enjoyable sports and entertainment experience. US Bank Stadium follows the Minnesota state law, which prohibits the sale of alcohol beverages to persons under the age of 21. This actually happens to be my favorite feature that the US Bank Stadium actually has to offer. It's called Honor the Game. It kind of gives praise to all the high school football teams around the state of Minnesota. And as you can see, it's all the high school football teams' helmets portrayed. The US Bank Stadium actually has a fixed roof. However, 60% of the roof structure is transparent, allowing stadium users to view the sun and sky throughout the year while staying in a climate-controlled environment.
The Pentair level of US Bank Stadium, the store to the left is Tommy Bahama, which is the Minnesota Vikings locker room official team store. The benefits of escalators are many. They have the capacity to move large numbers of people, and they can be placed in the same physical space as one might install a staircase. One thing cool about this stadium is they have power-assisted doors. US Bank Stadium is equipped with power-assisted doors at all stadium entrances. Family restrooms are reserved for the use of guests with small children and guests with disabilities. These restrooms are located in the west event level end zone on the concourse behind sections 103 through 346 and press box, as well as all club spaces within US Bank Stadium. US Bank Stadium is committed to delivering a world-class experience to all guests who enter the facility. In order to ensure that all guests receive the value of their ticket purchase, only those persons with a particular ticket will be able to occupy that seat. US Bank Stadium team members will be checking tickets to safeguard each guest's tickets purchase.